The Cranberry and Ginger Mimosa. It's the final hurdle before Christmas, and hopefully you're all sat there wearing jumpers like the bad guys in Die Hard, slamming down cocktails and awaiting the main event. Perhaps you can run a wager. Is Uncle Gary and Auntie Sharon going to talk about last year's political snowflake debate and cause another family argument? Is your mother's spinster friend, who you always buy a present for, is going to turn up without a present but drink everyone else's booze? Or is one of your younger relatives going to sing for everybody and the elder relatives say, don't they have the voice of an angel? A fallen angel with the vocal abilities to make paint peel, any pets in the vicinity bolt in terror. Either way, you're going to need something to drink to get you through Christmas. Do want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas, and for those of you who don't celebrate, hopefully you'll take a good break. Hope everybody has a great time with their family and friends, makes lots of memories, and have a lot of cocktails and drinks. Enjoy yourself. Ingredient lineup. This is the simple one. 3 ingredients, hardly any equipment required. You could also eyeball this as well. The ingredients in this is a sparkling wine of your choice, cranberry juice and ginger beer. In the champagne flute, add 2 ounces, that's 60 ml of cranberry juice. Follow this up with 2 ounces, that's 60 ml of ginger beer. Then you want to top this off with the sparkling wine of your choice. We're then going to give this a light stir. History-wise, this drink is from a blogger called Cookie Rookie, so it's going to be an interesting try. For the garnish, we're going to add 2 cranberries on a skewer. Taste test. This is alright, it's not a bad brunch cocktail. It's really inexpensive, it's easy to make, you can make it quite quickly. One minor criticism, I'm not a fan of the ginger beer, and that could be just a change of the flavour and the brand I'm using, but there's just a bit of a synthetic-y taste to it, which I don't like. If I was to respec it, I would go with 1 ounce of ginger syrup instead, perhaps a tiny little dash of lemon juice. I do like the combo, the sparkling one with the cranberries. I think it's an excellent combo, really works well. I like this sort of freshness you get from cranberry juice. It's like a quite cooling flavour, which I really enjoy. I'm going to give this 6.7 out of 10.